Hello guys, welcome to the Next Academy YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to withdraw your Hamster Kombat Airdrop to Bybit Exchange, how to withdraw your Hamster Kombat Airdrop to Binance. If you don't want to make a mistake that will cost you your token, if you don't want to lose your Hamster Kombat Airdrop, please watch this video to the end before you start withdrawing. Please, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to get notified when next we upload a video. Okay, when you launch your Hamster Kombat mining bot, this dashboard will appear. At the bottom right, you can see a drop. You click on it. When you click on it, it will take you to this page showing you that Hamster Kombat will be listing on 26th of September and the major criteria for the airdrop. Remember, I made a video on this criteria and what you must do if you want to earn more from Hamster Kombat Airdrop. So go through my channel and watch that video. So I'll click on withdrawal. Now this is where it becomes interesting. These are the withdrawal options, the off-chain withdrawal options. Why is it called off-chain? It doesn't require gas fee. So if you want to withdraw your Hamster Kombat without paying gas fee, this is a perfect opportunity for you. You can select from options here. You have Binance, you have OKS, you have Bybit, you have Telegram wallet, you have AP exchange. Okay, now there's one thing you need to know. You are withdrawing without gas fee, yes, but these exchanges requires KYC. Binance requires KYC, that is know your customer. You are required to do verification before you can withdraw to Binance. The same apply to OKS, the same with Bybit exchange, the same with Telegram wallet. Okay, another information is, if any of these exchanges is not available in your region, don't try to withdraw to them. For instance, OKS is not available to Nigerians, so if you're a Nigerian, don't withdraw to OKS, your token will be lost. Okay, you can as well withdraw to Telegram wallet. The KYC is light, so you can easily pass the KYC there, although I don't recommend it, because if anything happened to your Telegram account, if you like have 1 million there, it's gone. For the AB exchange, I've not heard of them. This is my first time, so I don't recommend them. You can choose from Binance, OKS, Bybit and Telegram wallet. Okay, if you are withdrawing with Telegram wallet, once the token enters your Telegram wallet, please move it to exchange or sell it. Okay, because if anything happens to your account, I've seen a situation whereby someone is being logged out from his account. That is his number being banned on Telegram, and any money you have in the wallet is gone. So don't risk it. All right, for the purpose of this video, we'll be using Bybit exchange and Binance exchange. So let's start with Bybit exchange. This is how to withdraw to Bybit. You click on Bybit, you select that you have account with Bybit. Okay, now you have to extract this information: Bybit UID, Hamster deposit address and memo. Okay, so let me go to my Bybit and show you how it is being done. Okay guys, this is my Bybit. When you open your Bybit, is like this. You click on this profile icon at the top left, click on it. You can see your UID here. You just click on the numbers and it will copy. So you go back to Hamster Kombat and paste it. It's as simple as that. I've done it. Now it's for address and memo. You go back to Bybit. Okay, go back to Bybit. You click on assets, you select funding, you search for Hamster. This is Hamster Kombat. You select it, you click on deposit. What you want to do is deposit. You select the network done. Okay, now this is your address. You don't have to retype it, you just press on this small icon to copy it. Don't retype it, you might make a mistake that will cost you your airdrop. I've copied it. I'll go back to Hamster Kombat and paste it. Now it's time for memo, so I'll go back to Bybit again. Okay, this is my memo here. It can be called memo, it can be called tag, it can be called comment, note, remark. Anywhere you see it, know that they are referring to this. It's very important. Without it, your token will be lost. So it's important. Don't try to retype it, just copy it as well. Okay, go back to Hamster and paste it. So we have done everything required. So what you have to do next is to click on save and choose. When you click on this option, you might not be able to change it again. At least for now, they have not added any option to change it after choosing it. So I want to show you how to withdraw to Binance now. So this is it. Once you click on save and choose, that is all. You have done your part, and you wait till 26th to receive your token on your Bybit account. Okay, remember this withdrawal will be on from now till I think 21st or 20th of September. So the earlier you do it, the better. Okay, this is all for Bybit. So let's do the one for Binance. Okay, this is Binance. We'll select Binance option. I'll click I have. Yes, I have it. So I have Binance account. Now Binance doesn't require UID, it's just Hamster deposit address and memo. So I'll go to my Binance. Okay, this is my Binance. I'll click on wallet. It will be in overview. You select spot. Okay, you search for Hamster. Okay, this is Hamster Kombat. You click on it. It's loading. You click on deposit crypto. You select the network, turn network. Okay, now this is your address. Remember the way we copied it on Bybit. This is the same way. We click on this small icon by the side. We have copied the wallet address. Go back to Hamster and paste it. Okay, then we'll go back to copy the memo. Here is the memo. Memo is so important. We have copied the memo. Okay, that is all. We have filled the required information. We save and choose. So I'll click on save and choose. The request is processing. So this is all you are required to do. Okay, this is all you are required to do. Once you do it the same way it's being demonstrated here, you don't have any issue. Okay, don't have any issue. This simple method. The confirmation is taking more time because many people are trying to access the same service at the same time. So this is what you are required to do. Okay, now for those that are asking, do you need a gas fee to do this? No, you don't need gas fee to withdraw off chain. Don't need gas fee. And for those that will be asking, what about us that don't have Binance, Bybit, OKS, or that are not using Telegram wallet? There is an option for you. Connect your, okay, here is, you can see on chain here. Here is on chain. Simple, connect your Tonkeeper or my Ton wallet or BitGet Web3 wallet or Bybit Web3 wallet. Once you have done that, you are good to go. You can withdraw on the listing day. Okay, I believe that answers your question. And for those that will be asking what about the supply, Hamster Kombat will have a supply of 100 billion. I know it sounds big, but it's not too big for a meme token. Okay, if you have any other question, please drop it in the comment box and I will attend to you. Please, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to get notified when next we upload a video. I wish you guys good luck. Thank you.